What's going on, guys? It's Rick, and I'm back with another box breakdown. We are going to run through everything that's coming in the Platinum Series edition of this month's box. Obviously, it starts with a guidebook, and it's packed with tips for cold weather fishing, right? Everything down from a bait selection guide to product reviews, recipes. You know, we're talking about a bucktail jig. We're going to give you everything you need to know if you've never fished one of these things before, so you can have more luck on the water. So we got that. We got our stickers. We got Bucket King. We got our Retro Monster Bass logo. We got a Fiery Bass. And of course, you got your golden ticket. We got your the trophy room card. So here's your invitation to upload your pics to the trophy room, whether it's your PB or whether it's just a catch you caught this weekend. The new and improved trophy room, which is going live later this week, will have leaderboards broken down by the U.S., by state, and by lake. So as you upload your catches, they're going to pre-populate leaderboards, and we're going to get to see who's the leader on every lake in the country and see how you stack up against your friends. So there's that. All right, where to get started? Let's start with this. This is a Spro bucktail jig. Now, the water's getting cold. When I think about bucktail jigs, I think about just dropping it down, letting it go to the bottom, and for me, the key is the retrieve. I like slow retrieve. So I'm going to drop it to the bottom, a few twitches, slow retrieve, a few twitches, slow retrieve. I'm also going to look for to target areas where bass tend to congregate, structure, anything like that. And I'm just going to drop it in there, and let's see if the bait can work its magic. So a Spro bucktail jig is a great bait this time of year. Excuse me, I'm battling a little bit of a cold. Another great bait that I think about this time is just a square bill. And there was an event that just took place with Thunderhawk and up in Minnesota, and I was supposed to go, and I just couldn't make it. And I talked to Mike, and he hooked us up with some of these Thunderhawk A10s. Now, we had these in the box a couple years ago, and they're pretty hard to get to because they sell a lot of them. It's got a unique shape on the head, and there's a big write-up in the guidebook that's going to tell you all about this bait. And so you're going to want to make sure you read through it. It's going to give you great tips on how to fish this bait, especially in the cold water. All right, next cold weather bait I think about is a flat-sided crankbait, and this month I'm hooking you up with a Bomber Flat A Gen 2. Now, why am I showing you a sticky note? Because I ordered my box and I forgot to order this bait, so I don't actually have it in my hand. So again, a flat-sided crankbait, great for colder weather. It's got a tighter wobble, and it's something that's going to allow you to really just target big bass and cover a lot of water. So also, it's the Gen 2 model. So if you're saying like I've got a bomber, great. This is the Gen 2. Great bait. Okay, what else do I love this time of year? I love underspins. So we've got a couple different underspins. We've got one from Catch Outdoors. We've got one from Mustad. And we've got this one paired with a Grande Bass grub. Now you can pair this with anything you want, but this is a great, look at this is a Fatso Pig from Grande Bass. It's got a really bulbous body and a really fat tail. So you're gonna get a lot of motion when you're moving that. And I think that's a bait that you're really gonna enjoy. And it's one that we haven't had in the box before. The other thing that you're gonna get is you're gonna get some, this one has the Z-Man long shots. Now this is a great drop shot bait. Again, colder water, you wanna present something, drop it down, put it right in front of their face, hopefully they're gonna see it and they're gonna bite it. And so we hooked you up with some long shots. We hooked you up with some tungsten weights. And we hooked you up with a 5-pack of the Pro X drop shot weight, or drop shot hooks from Daiichi. This is their top of the level, tournament level line, and we wanted to make sure we gave you everything that you needed to drop shot these things. So we hooked you up with the weights, the hooks, and the worms. We got you the underspin setup. We got you a square bill, we got you a square bill and a flat side crankbait. All in all, you're getting 8 items, $50-something in value. three stickers, golden ticket, your tournament, your PB board for the trophy room, and don't forget the guide. So hope you guys love this month's box. Worked really hard to make sure we paired everything together so that you could hit different levels of the water column, targeting cold bass this time of year. Can't wait to see what you guys think about it. Next month I got a banger for you, and I'm working on a surprise that I hope I'll have done in time. So, and it comes in a bait bag. So hook yourself up. I'll see you guys soon. Monster Bass Live every Wednesday, 4 p.m. Call in, ask me any question you want.